Probably going to see heat advisories, I would say most days, maybe not toward the end of the week because things will change a little bit. But we are expecting also some daily scattered storms. And then for next weekend, well, this weekend, the weekend that's coming up, it will probably be a bit rainier than what we had this past weekend. And also it could be a little less hot. So maybe highs only in the upper 80s. Hot weather expected today, though, of course, until 7 p.m. We're under that heat advisory for that heat index, maybe up to 112. And then we also have the storm. So just checking that out again. New Orleans quiet right now. The metro area looking quiet, but way out on the other side of Kenner, small shower there. Clearly some storms around La Rose, and also some have been ongoing right along our coastal spots as well. So cut off, getting some rain there around Homa, also some showers and storms, and just south of Thibodaux, although north of the lake things have been quiet. Looking outside, 90 degrees, feeling like 101. And our temperatures farther south, not too bad due to that rain and some additional cloud cover. But elsewhere, Mandeville, Bogalusa already at 93. And I have highs today around 94. We do have a chance for that scattered rain to continue and maybe even spread north of the lake as well. I have about a 30–40% chance. Our highs around 94, but feeling more like 110. And then tonight, we're looking for temperatures back in the 70s. And we may see the rain kind of migrate and become more coastal along our northern Gulf waters. And then during the day, a typical setup is to see it migrate back overland. In the upper atmosphere, here's what we have going heading toward the weekend. Here's this trough dropping in between these two hot high pressure centers, one over the southwest U.S., just kind of hovering there, and then another extending from really the Atlantic Ocean into almost the Gulf of Mexico. So we're in between in this weakness, and we are expecting the scattered rain every day. So not to say that you will get rain every day, but it will be scattered about, and you will have that chance for a few heavier downpours here and there. Like last night we saw around Pearl River County in Mississippi, a lot of rain coming in the nighttime around 10 p.m. or so, prompting a flash flood warning there. So just one of these weeks where we could get some heavy rain the next 7 days. The purples are the slightly higher amounts, up to maybe 2 inches. The reds are 3, and then the blues, you're looking at about 1 inch. So don't get too caught up in exact color areas and where they're shaded, but the general idea is we could easily pick up a couple of inches of rain with these downpours. And over the week as a whole, a lot of us will have seen about 2 or 3 inches. Into the tropics, Saharan dust just blowing out over the Atlantic basin, making it hard for things to get going right now. We're not expecting anything really to develop in the next week or so because there's just so much dry, dusty air. So we'll take it, I think, especially looking at the seasonal forecasts. It looks like it will probably ramp up, of course, at some point. That typically happens late August, and the peak day of the season is September 10th. But for the next 7 days, no development expected and looks pretty quiet out there. We have made it through the 3 named storms so far. Of course, Beryl the most memorable. The next name would be Debbie and then Ernesto, but no sign of that at this point. 7-day forecast shows our temperatures going down a little bit, and actually a nice break in temperatures probably by Friday and Saturday. Some models even showing lower or middle 80s for highs. So for now, we'll keep it in the upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, but be prepared for some scattered showers and a few downpours. And Sunday, maybe a little bit more back to normal.